is up, my pescadorians? Hope you guys are all doing good. So if you're new, please subscribe and join the pescadorians. My name is Pablo and I would love to have you guys on the team. So in this video, I'm going to be fishing some creeks and we're going to be rocking around the NLBN 3-inch on the 1K. So enough talking, let's get to it. Alright, my pescadorians, what is going on? So we made it to our spot and the mission for today is just to get fish on culvert pipes. It stormed a lot, so I'm hoping that's gonna have these fish fired up. Tarpon, snook, I don't know what else is gonna be out there, and we're just gonna be throwing the good old NLBN 3-inch right here, and we're hoping we can land some good fish for y'all. So enough talking, I'll hit you guys up when we get to the first spot. Alright, check it out. We are at spot number 1, and we're gonna see if maybe there's some tarpon in here and whatever else is gonna be lying in here. Alright, just throw in that little current. Should be some tarpon in here. I'm throwing Palm Beach. Oh, got a little snook. Another little snook. Got one. Little snook? Yeah. Oh, little tarpon. Little tarpon. Oh, he spit the hook right there. And he took the body. No. I have to re-rig because that tarpon frayed us. I thought it was a little snook at first, but nope, it was a tarpon. And we're gonna throw on a different color. We were throwing Palm Beach Pearl, but you know what, let's throw a different color. We got a different color right now. Let me show you. We got the gelato or something like that. Oh, something like that already. Already another snook. Oh, not a bad snook for here. Oh, get him out, come out. Not a bad little snook. Oh. Not a bad little snook. Not a bad little snook. For this skinny water, this is a good snook. Like, guys, this area is like, oh my gosh, look at that snook. I mean, this is pretty big for like catching a snook in here. Look at him, there he goes, like nothing ever happened. He braided me, so I had to retie. That was actually pretty awesome. Alrighty, we retied and we're ready to go. Oh my gosh, a little snook just smoked it. Make sure I'm not faded just from that. I wonder if there's gonna be anything around here. I can't see nothing, so I'm just gonna wing it. Got one. Is it a tarpon or a snook? No, I don't know where he's at, but oh, little tarpon. Little tarpon. Little tarpon. Little tarpon on the 3-inch. Oh, no. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he swam the wrong direction. Come on. He swam the wrong direction to the rock, so I'm not gonna really take him out of the water. But beautiful little tarpon. He's ready to go. I'm just gonna let him shoot off into the whatchamacallit, that one in water right here. Woo, there he goes, just like that. So far a tarpon and a snook. There has to be more, like another one. What is it? Another tarpon? Yep, another tarpon. another little tarpon. Oh, he's trying to cut me off. I think I'm braided already. Not a bad little one. Another one. Dude, this one had ups. On the 3-inch, look at that, dude. He was not coming off. Alright. He's hooked so weird. Hooked right on the bottom jaw. I'm trying to just, alright, keep him in the water. Beautiful little tarpon. There he goes. Oh, right there, right there. So epic. Woo! Not a bad one either. Spit the hook. Spit the hook. Pull him up, no. He took my bait. Just like that on the one. Don't you do it. Got him. Got him right on the nose. He's bleeding a bit, but he'll be fine. I just got him tucked on the nose. I need my Danco pliers. Pliers right here. Alright, there. Oh, there he goes. Right over there. There he goes, swimming off. Whew. Such a sick tarpon. Let me see it. Alright, just making sure he swam off from. We're gonna have to re-rig and then we'll get back out there. These tarpon are afraid of us. We switched over to the harvester again. See if we get smoke. They stopped eating here, but we did switch over to the harvester, but no luck. So maybe they caught on, so we're just gonna keep trying different spots. Woo! A nice little pocket that we just found. Don't want to cast like that. I'm gonna cast a little bit more in there. The tarpon could be anywhere right now. It should be really deep in the mangroves. One last cast and then we're gonna keep going. Alrighty, there was nothing on this pocket, so we're just gonna keep going. I just let my bait sink. I wasn't even looking. Right. There has to be something in here. Little tarpon and snook. Best of both worlds. Smallest poon ever. Right here, let's see. I don't even know how I'm gonna land this guy. Okay. Alright, chill, bud. Chill. Don't wanna hurt you. Oh man.
To think that these guys grow to be like big ends, that's insane. And we're just, I don't want to throw them in there, so we're just gonna slowly pop them right here. There he goes, like a champ. So there is tarpon in there. Nice. Well, there's tarpon and snook in here. I thought they caught on. Oh, he actually tangled it. That's why it's not swimming right. Alright. Just want to get like 1 or 2 more tarpon out of here and then keep working these areas. Oh, not a bad one. Yeah, not a bad tarpon. This is gonna be interesting. Dude, this is actually a big one for here. Whoa. That's like a 5 to like 8 pounder. Dude, that's actually a nice one for right here. I don't know how I'm gonna land this guy. Okay. He's hooked pretty good. There's no way I could bring him with the 1K. Let me pick him up, but we can definitely. Oh, chill. Dude. Oh, that could have been bad. Could have snapped my rod right there. Okay, wait. And we're dipping our feet in just because I'd rather be safe and land these tarpon safely than not at all. Look at that tarpon on the 3-inch, dude. He's fine. He's not really. He'd be fine. Look at that size of this coon. For in here, this is probably one of the biggest ones I've caught in here. Okay. You're telling me you want to go? There he goes. I hope you guys saw all that. I think that was a nice one. I hope they're still out here. Not faded, so we can keep throwing this. Yep, they're still rolling right here. Oh, I had one eat. Not a bad one. He got him in the groves. Alright, can I pull him out? He got me in the groves. Just need him turned around. Alright, there we go. We got him out. Oh, wait. Alright, we got him out. Oh, no. And he went back to another one. Oh, there he goes. There was nothing I could do about that right there. Nothing I can do. He got me right in the groves. I tried taking him out, but as you can see, he was not coming out. I seen him, one swiped at it and then another one swiped at it. Oh yeah, that galado's gonna get smoked right now, instantly. First cast with the galado. Okay. Well, that was the first cast and probably the worst cast. I think I'll be tight. These tarpon shit. Got him. Not a bad tarpon. Oh, that thing came straight at me. Nothing on that cast, so that means let's keep it going. They're hitting it as soon as it comes over this edge. So maybe if I just get a little closer somewhere. Oh, nice little tarpon just. Oh, another tarpon, another tarpon. Nice little tarpon just went for it. I don't know if the GoPros will be able to capture it. Them swiping. Oh, just like that. Nice little plume. On the galado. And there he goes. Maybe he'll come back for it. Let that sink. Start twitching, twitch. Alright, let's keep it going. Alright, so there will be some tarpon sometimes in some spots, and sometimes there won't be. Maybe do like 3 to 4 casts just to see if there is, and you get no hits, and just keep walking and working the next spot. And we're just gonna be jumping, and hopefully hook up to more tarpon. Hopefully land one more for y'all, and we'll call it a day. Yeah, because we are close to finishing up this spot, and then we'll call it a day. So let's just keep walking. Alright, let me give you a rundown on the setup. We got the 4000 Florida Fishing Product Carb Edition Osprey paired with a bull bay rod. We're running, I think, 10 to 15 pound tests with 30-pound leader. And we got the NLBN 3-inch. And then we got the NLBN 3-inch Galado. Probably one of my favorite. Just heard tarpon. Jeez. But yeah, this color is probably one of my favorite ones with the purple haze. But unfortunately, I did not get any purple haze. Okay, this is definitely tarpon weather. Tarpon territory right here. This is nothing. And nope, there's tarpon in here. I just thought. Nice tarpon. As soon as I said I don't know if there's tarpon here, boom, a little tarpon just rolled. I don't know if he will be the only one. Oh, they don't. See? Oh my gosh. It's like 4 to 5 tarpon in here. Alright, so there's no room to hook set in here. Unfortunately, that's the only tough thing about here. Oh, dude, they're going crazy right here. They're going crazy for it. Watch this. I don't know if the GoPro's capturing this. I'm going to step over here so y'all can see. Nope, I'm tanked. Yeah, these type are flared up. Oh my god. The way he jumped. Take him out, take him out. There we go. Bull bay rod putting in work. Another beautiful little tarpon. I'm gonna let him swim through the mangroves. Look how green his back is. He completely smoked our body. Let's tie up another one. We rigged up motor oil, and I think they're gonna actually smoke this color too, just because it's a pretty saucy color. Now I'm not even seeing them come up for it no more. Alright, the last cast is right here. Oh. Oh, my line's wrapped. Oh, of course. My line got wrapped in this mangrove, so I could not land that fish. Last cast. Little guy. Alright. And as you can see, it's so hard to land these fish especially with like everything that you got going on right here. Alrighty, let's keep it going. This might be the last tarpon, or we might get one more. But right here, it looks pretty dandy. Looks like it's gonna hold my PB tarpon. I'm just kidding. But it does look like it's gonna hold a tarpon. Yes. 2 cats should be good here. Oh, dude, that's not a bad one. That's not a bad one. Oh, wait. Oh, you got me hung up. Ah, alright. I think that's it. Wait up, you know what? Let's just toss that jig head. Can we catch him on a jig head? Probably. Just do the same thing I did, with just let it sink and start twitching it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. The hook. I knew that was gonna happen. And he just, okay. I was gonna say he just hit my lure in the water. He might have caught on. Nothing. Let's keep it going. Tarpon in here for sure. Check this out. Already. First cast. Tarpon in here. Oh, now he knows he's hooked. Oh, he's not a bad one either. Oh, there he goes. Oh, the first tarpon hit. Oh, another one. Dude, you guys launch it like crazy over here. Let's try that again. See if we get one to smoke it. Oh. Little snook? Well, second snook of the day. Alrighty. What? Ooh, sorry. Alright, we'll take you any day. You grow to be a 40-incher, alright? I'm still trying to catch a 40-incher, but... Oh my gosh. Please don't. Okay. Beautiful little snook. Crazy how small these guys get. Alright. Well, I'll take that snook any day. Got like these backwater snook and tarpon. Alrighty, I think that's it for the day today, guys. We are basically finished up with all the spots we can hit. After this, it's just crowded with mangroves. And the mosquitoes are slowly stacking up, and I'm just getting bit. So I'm just gonna call it a day. But thank you guys for watching. Super sick day. I mean, got a lot of little tarpon, lost a lot of little tarpon. I mean, and some of them are actually pretty fat for this little creek, which I'm pretty stoked. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys get on some big ends, tight lines.